Hey everyone, my name is Anu and I'm showing you how to install your natural kinky ponytail by To All My Black Girls. So I'm just detangling my hair and I've given it a quick blow dry just so that it slicks better in place. And I am adding the Eco Styler gel. You don't have to use that, you can use any gel that you prefer as long as it helps your hair stay in place. I actually prefer the gummy wax, which is what I'm using right now. It helps your hair stay in place for days. And it's just the best product really to use for natural hair in order to keep your hair slicked. So I'm now tying my hair up into a bun. It's very important that you allow your hair to be as flat as possible so your ponytail does not become bulky. If your hair is long, of course, put some braids or twists and make it as flat as possible and put it up in a bun. Now sleeking my edges, which is of course not compulsory, but if you want to go that extra mile, feel free. Now I'm adding my scarf, which is very, very important just to keep your hair flat, and it is good to keep it on to make sure it's completely dry. You can use a blow dry like I did, or you can allow it to naturally air dry. So now let's get on with the tutorial. So now I'm working with the Kinky Coarse Drawstring Ponytail, and in order to install it, you need to grip both the grips on the top and on the bottom in between your bun. And then you need to pull the string, and there should be a ball that you can pull closer to your head as well. And then you twist the string round so it can't be seen, and you get a little piece of your hair to twist it round so that you can't see the string and you can't see the tracks. Now this should give it the maximum security. And now I am just spraying a little bit of water on the hair. Ideally, you should always co-wash the hair before installing it. But just for demonstration purposes, I am showing you how it looks once it's been combed out a little bit and just gives it a little bit more volume. So there's my first style. Next, I am doing a bun. So first you need to section your hair into two and then twist one of the sides as much as possible. And twist it all the way as much as you can. Twist it all the way around your bun. And then do the same with the other side. So yeah, it's a very, very quick and easy and simple style, and it gives you just that perfect bun. And who's gonna tell it's not your hair? So there we have it, your Kinky Coarse Drawstring Ponytail bun. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this.